Have you ever wondered how to find and approach sellers of off-market properties? Well, you're in the right place. Scouting for off-market properties can provide an edge in the real estate market, offering opportunities not always visible to the public eye. Let's delve into the techniques and strategies used to identify and approach these hidden gems. The first step is knowing where to look. Building a strong network within the real estate community is key, with real estate agents, wholesalers, and fellow investors being invaluable sources of leads. Don't underestimate the power of a well-placed conversation at networking events, industry meetups, and online forums. Real estate agents, especially those well-versed in your target market, can offer insights into potential listings or motivated sellers. A direct mail campaign, personalized and targeted, can also catch the attention of potential sellers. For those not shy of a more hands-on approach, door knocking can directly engage homeowners, though it does require a respectful and prepared demeanor. Online platforms like social media, real estate forums, and community groups can be a goldmine for connecting with property owners. And don't forget about the potential in expired listings. These are properties that were listed but didn't sell and may be owned by motivated sellers. Public records can reveal properties fitting your investment criteria, such as those involved in divorces, probate cases, or with tax liens. Lastly, the classic method of driving through neighborhoods can help identify distressed or vacant properties ripe for investment. Now, how do you approach sellers of off-market properties? Start by crafting a compelling value proposition. Show them the benefits of selling to you, like a quick transaction, flexible terms, or a fair offer. Always be professional and respectful in your approach. Remember, not all homeowners are open to selling, and it's crucial to accept their decision gracefully. Understanding the seller's motivation can guide your offer. Are they in financial need? Are they relocating? The more you know, the better you can tailor your proposition. Express your flexibility, whether that's in closing timelines or leaseback options. This can make the transaction more appealing to the seller. Don't shy away from creative financing techniques. Seller financing or lease options may make your deal more attractive. It's also important to educate sellers. Many don't know the benefits of off-market selling, such as privacy, quicker sales, and avoiding traditional listing costs. Lastly, build trust. Be transparent, honest, and responsive. Providing references or testimonials can also help establish credibility. In summary, scouting for off-market properties is a multifaceted process, involving networking, research, and strategic approaches to potential sellers. By understanding where to look and how to approach sellers, you can uncover a wealth of real estate opportunities not visible